Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Prius versus the Hyundai Elantra hybrid. We will explore their key differences to help you decide which car best fits your needs. First, let's talk about fuel efficiency, a major factor for hybrid buyers. The Toyota Prius leads with up to 57 combined miles per gallon, while the Hyundai Elantra hybrid offers an impressive 54 combined miles per gallon. Both deliver exceptional range for fewer stops. Next, let's consider performance and the overall driving experience. The Toyota Prius boasts up to 196 combined horsepower, offering a more spirited acceleration. The Hyundai Elantra hybrid provides a solid 139 combined horsepower, which is perfectly adequate for most daily driving. When it comes to practicality, the Prius offers up to 8 cubic feet of cargo space, while the Elantra hybrid has 2 cubic feet in its trunk. Now, let's look at features and overall value. The Toyota Prius starts at approximately $29,500, including advanced safety systems and a large touchscreen. The Hyundai Elantra hybrid begins around $25,500, providing excellent technology and comfort for its price. Regarding warranties, Toyota offers a generous 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty. Hyundai counters with a strong 10-year or 100,000-mile warranty for its powertrain and hybrid components. So, which hybrid is better for you? If top-tier fuel economy and more horsepower are your priorities, the Toyota Prius is an excellent choice. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with a longer basic warranty, the Hyundai Elantra hybrid presents compelling value. Both are fantastic vehicles, but your personal needs will guide your decision. Also, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.